Hello everyone, it's Finnovation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an awesome LED skateboard. Now, where did I get this idea? So lately, I've been seeing a ton of really cool cars on like Instagram and social media that have this really awesome underglow under them. And I was like, wow, that's awesome. Only two problems. Sadly, those underglow are not permitted in my state, and I don't have a car. So I'm going to make do with what I have, some LED lights and a skateboard. Let's get right into it. Alright. The materials you're going to need are a skateboard or longboard. So for me, I've got my longboard right here. Then you're going to need some LED lights. I got these off Amazon for about $10 to $15. The big thing is that they're powered by a USB port. The next thing is I have a power brick here. Once again, you could get this off Amazon, 10 to 15 bucks, but I have this one laying around and a lot of people I know do. So I'm going to open up my LED lights and hopefully I can just plug it in and turn on. Alright, so what came was exactly what I expected. It looks like I've just got a LED strip light right here, and my power brick and a remote. When I plug it into my power brick and turn it on, there you go. There are my LEDs. Now it's going to be simple, and you can probably see what we're going to do. We're basically just going to put the LEDs on the bottom of the skateboard. So I'm actually going to do that right now. Alright, so as you can see, I've got most of my stuff ready, and I haven't really done much of the LEDs yet, but I kind of got my cable wrapped around here, and I need some way to hold up the power brick. Now, you could do this with really any double-sided tape, but for all the recent UFO sightings around, I'm going to try some alien tape. So theoretically, this stuff is supposed to stick to anything, so I'm going to try it here. I'm going to stick it down like that, and then just going to stick my power brick. Okay, I'm a little bit shocked. That feels really stuck. Like, wow. Okay, guess that's what I'm going to be using for this. And if I turn on my power brick, that looks really good. So I'm just going to actually start taping down my LEDs. Alright, so as you guys can see, I've got all the tape done and it looks really good. So on the end, I kind of made a little mistake by putting the LEDs too far back, because a lot of times I kick off the end of the board so I can pick it up or, spin around, fun stuff like that. But if I do that now, the LEDs will get smushed. And that was a poor design on my part, because had I just moved the LEDs up a little bit and I had not started them so close to the back, this wouldn't be a problem. But my solution is going to be a little chunk of wood right at the back. And again, you could totally avoid this. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut this piece of wood to the right size, and I'm going to use some more alien tape because it seems to be working great to put it where I want it. So I'm going to do that right now. So with these LEDs and the alien tape, I tried two new products today and they seem out really cool. Like, guys, I am very impressed on how this turned out. So I've got a remote for this too, and I'm just going to play around and see what kind of modes it has. So you'll probably see me doing it on the skateboard. Alright, so here's all our lights. Alright, so the lights turned out absolutely amazing, and I love the rainbow. It looks so cool. I love how it just swirls around, and it was exactly what I was hoping for. But keep watching so you can actually see it at night. It looks even better. It's so cool. Now, so you can see all of the awesome lights, here's a little bit of a montage. Well, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. It helped me out a lot. But the LEDs made my skateboard look like an UFO or an alien mothership. It seems like those aliens are everywhere these days. But it was almost as fun as learning to skate again.
Learning to skate, Finn, that reminds me of a joke.
Really, what is it?
Where do skateboarders learn to skate?
I don't know, where?
Boarding school.
Oh, that was terrible. Whatever, thank you for watching. If you have any ideas, leave a comment below. Bye!